I have to make a pasta because I ran out. I'm not gonna eat this thing. Did I eat it? Come on. You might need energy for later. Already ate it. Already ate it. Wait. Don't eat the banana. It's poisoned. No, I died. Am I gonna die? What? Then I'm dying. I'm gonna die. Ah ha ha. I'm just kidding. Oh. Why? It's an old prank. That's not funny, General. Yeah, it's not funny. I'm sorry, I just had to do it. Anyways, we will be flying for a few more hours. You might as well chill or take a nap. I will wake you up when it's time. Time to wake up, everyone. I'm already. It's night time and it looks like we are inside a storm. We need to be ready in the case we have to bush. General, we were struck by lightning. Our right motor is in critical danger. Does that mean we will die? Okay, everyone, chill. Okay, I'll chill. I will fix the motor, but I need everyone to cover me out there. Okay, I'll cover. I'm just standing up already. Wait, out there? Where are we? Yeah, let's go. I'm not gonna cover General Poncho. I was gonna do this thing. Because General Poncho is worse. My younger brother's doing nothing. He's still in the airplane. Yay. No. I'm covering. What the hell? General Poncho. He's down there. What are you doing? Oh. I'm not gonna get stuck. Are you getting hit? Ah! My young brother always get hit. I'm not getting hit. Ow! I hit. Are we done? Are we done yet? Are we done yet, General Poncho? General! Hurry! Why is it so slow? Why are you down there? I'm not gonna. 3, 2, 1, 0. The motor is fixed now. Okay, I get it. It's fixed. Where did you came from? You climb. I never seen such a strong storm. Who's that? Who's that? Ah! What is that? You will not stop this fate. Burn! Fire! Quickly! Inside the plane! Oh, I just dropped like that. Yo! Your hell! What you doing? Don't know. church. Is everything okay? Where is the skeleton? I'm sorry, General. I don't know what you are talking about. The giant skeleton. We didn't see no skeleton, General. Never mind. Let's keep moving. We are almost there. General, we are finally here. Perfect. Everyone pay close attention. We will sneak through the back door of the kidnapped plane. Okay, I will. We need to get everyone out safely before we go after Ronald. Once we are in there, we just have one chance. Good luck, soldiers. What are you doing? Alright, we are in the back door. What's that? Was that trees? This is it. We are in the plane. Looks like Ronald covered the door. I wanted to do this my whole life. Ronald, open the door. Oh no, we better hurry. Check the storage. See if you find I don't know. Oh, I found it. I found it. Great, you found a hammer. That will work. Kaboosh. Oh. Open this door. FBI, open up. Yeah. It's over, Ronald. How did you get here? Okay, I have to do another.